A news break coming in on India clearing a mega deal to buy 26 Rafale marine fighter aircraft from France. This government-to-government deal worth over 63,000 crores will be signed soon. We understand sometime this week. The Indian Navy will effectively get 22 single-seater and 4 twin-seater aircraft as part of the deal, is what government sources have told us. So another game-changer deal between India and France, leading to, of course, a big boost for our defence as well. Shivani Sharma is joining us with more details on this. This is a game-changer deal, Shivani, for the Indian Navy.
Akshita, indeed, this is a big deal. This is a mega deal of 26 Rafale marine jets for the Indian Navy. This was being long awaited. And remember, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi had travelled to France in February, the discussions were made, the deals were fast-tracked, and India today had already reported that very soon the deal will be finalized. And today the CCS has cleared this deal. The approval has been made. And soon the finalized deal will be signed between both the countries and more details will pan out. And what we know is that there will be 22 single-seater Rafale marine jets and 4 twin-seaters. And this will be for the Indian Navy's aircraft carriers, INS Vikramaditya, INS Vikrant. And the first of these aircraft will start rolling in by 2029. So this will be a game-changer deal for the Indian Navy, as we see the operations are going on to counter the Chinese muscle flexing in the Indian Ocean region. So this is indeed a big breakthrough, a big deal that has been cleared today. Akshita.
Thanks very much, Shivani, for those details. Another tie-up between India and France there for more Rafale jets, this time for the Rafale M aircraft, the Rafale marine aircraft.